Literature lovers, today we are going to talk about The Two Voices. It's a poem written by the future poet laureate of United Kingdom, Alfred Lord Tennyson, between 1833 and 1834. It was included in his 1842 collection of poems. Tennyson wrote the poem titled Thoughts of a Suicide in manuscript after the death of his friend Arthur Henry Hallam in 1833. The poem was autobiographical. Tennyson explained, "When I wrote The Two Voices, I was so utterly miserable, a burden to myself and to my family, that I said, if is life worth anything?" In the poem, one voice urges the other to suicide. The poet's arguments against it range from vanity to desperation, yet the voice discredits all. The poem's ending delivers no conclusions and has been widely criticized. The poet finds no eternal affirmation, evoking solace outside himself. The Two Voices was published following a 10-year span in which Tennyson did not publish anything, coinciding with what some call one of the defeating silences of Victorian literary history. The poem is written in iambic tetrameter with a rhyme scheme consisting of tercet. It is 204 stanzas long. It was praised for its depth and style. The poem is believed to have been written in an experimental form of poetic dialogue. Tennyson's chief purpose in writing the poem, the creation of a sustained poetic dialogue, the exploration of a road ultimately not taken in Tennyson's career. The poem follows the poet's struggle to argue convincingly against the voice that suggests suicide, which twice in the poem declares that there is one remedy for all. Then comes the check, the change, the fall. Pain rises up and old pleasures pall. There is one remedy for all. Cease to wail and brawl, why inch by inch to dark crawl. There is one remedy for all. Scholars who believe some of the theories between the poem talk about the psychology. Some critics talk about tingling with satanic irony. Some says that Tennyson should have been blamed for failing to find a solution where no solution exists nor should be talked about. That's all for today. I hope you must have gotten perspective. Thanks for reading.